My name is Jacob Schwartz. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Arizona, and I'm in the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry. What we do in this department is we study more in the life sciences, and so we are at the interface between physical sciences like chemistry and even physics and the life sciences and biomedical research. A website's important for us because it's our lab space to the research community as well as the general public. Different charity organizations reach out to us. I get invited to go to conferences and events, and there again, they find us through our website. They review the quality of the research we're doing by looking at the efforts that we've made, but we didn't really make them. We went and got CS Design to help us learn how to communicate to the general public our lab's accomplishments. I know what our science is, but I trusted CS Design to know how to make that approachable on a website. CS Design has been great to work with for always being approachable, always pitching back new ideas that constantly solve my problems. Where I go to them, I don't know exactly how to convey this, I don't know exactly how to display this, but here's what I would like to get across. And they always have a ready solution. They give you a big company solution, but with the feel of a small local company that's very approachable. You can walk up to their store anytime, sit down and say hi to everyone, meet with them and pitch ideas back and forth, which is really nice when you're trying to do something that's creative. Handing off the concerns of knowing how to message a website, knowing how to convey the information, being able to entrust that to CS Design Studios was such a great load off my mind. Very much worth it. They contact me regularly, check in, see how things are doing. They're always fun to visit with. So I do highly recommend CS Design for those reasons.